traveling at the speed of light. 300,000 kilometers per second. That's the speed of light. The fastest thing in the entire universe. Or call it multiverse. You are just going at 60 kilometers per hour in your car. The fastest thing ever built by man, that is the NASA's Parker Solar Probe, which travels at 109 kilometers per second. Even that is just 2752 times slower than the speed of light approximately. So what will happen if we manage to travel at the speed of light? Now look, strange things begin to happen when you travel at the speed of light. Some things which you will never experience before. Is that ghosts? No, it's not. Watch until the end of the video so that you can understand what will happen if you go at the speed of light.
Science orzo.
Science orzo.
Science orzo.
Science orzo.
Science orzo.
So before understanding that, I want you to have a clear idea on Einstein's theory of relativity. Before the 1900s, the world firmly believed on the view of Isaac Newton in terms of objects and gravity. However, in the 20th century, Albert Einstein came into the picture and changed this world forever. The theory of relativity put forward by Einstein cleared up many doubts about mass and energy. The equation of mass-energy equivalence proved that mass and energy are interconvertible, meaning that mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. He proposed that there is no standard frame of reference. Everything is relative, even time. From this, it was inferred that the speed of light is constant and independent of the observer. Therefore, if a person is moving at the speed of light in the same direction as light itself, then the light beam will appear as same as it does to a stationary person. So what did I just say? It is E equals mc squared. When you travel at faster speeds, your mass will increase. Now I said speed of light is always a constant. So your mass becomes infinitely bigger when you increase velocity, because kinetic energy increases. On the other hand, if an object traveled at 90% the speed of light, then its mass would be 2 times its original mass. This becomes a serious problem when traveling at speed of light. Your mass will exponentially increase. Even the tiniest particle will increase its mass exponentially when you travel at the speed of light. This is very awkward. Another awkward thing happening is time slows down as we approach the speed of light. If a person is traveling at 90% the speed of light, then for that person, time would move slower than for someone who is not moving. He would experience only 10 minutes of time passing, while a stationary person would have experienced 20 minutes. Time will be cut in half. Another thing is that your field of vision would change drastically. The world would appear to you through a tunnel-shaped window in front of the aircraft which you are traveling. Also, the stars in front would appear blue and stars behind would appear red. This is because the light waves from stars in front of you will crowd together, making the objects appear blue. While the light waves from the stars behind you will spread apart and appear red, causing an extreme Doppler effect. Now Doppler effect is something amazing. You need to learn about that. Since this video will get more complex, I won't go to explain that. After a certain speed, you would only see blackness because the wavelength of light entering your eye would be out of the visible spectrum. Even with all the obstacles to traveling at speed of light, it would certainly be the experience of a lifetime. Is it possible to travel at speed of light? No, it's not possible since you will increase your mass exponentially. That is a serious problem.